I can't even be out in my yard without hearing protection.
Imagine being in his shoes. A Mid-Michigan man forced to plug his ears because of noise from construction on a nearby pipeline. He wants to know what it's going to take for a little peace and quiet. TV5's James Felton is asking the tough questions.
Miserable. I wouldn't wish it on my worst enemy.
Whether it's a video posted to Facebook 6:30 at night or our TV5 cameras on the scene at 11 in the morning, James Bonner says this noise is relentless. We had to interview Bonner on the other side of his home to block out enough sound just to hear him talk.
The construction started about 4 months ago, and the noise has been ongoing. They've had big heaters and generator things running over there all night long.
So what's the source of all this racket? We asked the tough questions and found out West Yankee LLC is performing work on a pipeline owned by Zeeland Farm Services. The project, located at the corner of Mason and Olive Roads in Gratiot County, is right next to Bonner's home.
It's loud enough during the day that I shouldn't have to hear it. I can't even be out in my yard without hearing protection. And I have 3 little kids in the house that have to listen to it too.
The project manager declined our request for an on-camera interview, but he did tell us off camera that he just learned about this problem and that work would cease from the hours of 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. and also that work here would be completed in 2 weeks.
I don't know if I can personally take it. 2 weeks of listening to the noise and not being able to sleep, and it's just a burden on my whole family, and the stress is unbearable.
Bonner has called police and hired an attorney. He says all he wants is some peace and quiet. He never imagined that would be so hard to get living out in the country.
It would be wonderful for the whole entire family.
Reporting in Gratiot County, James Felton, WNEM TV5.